Hey guys, it's Lindsay at Repurpose and Upcycle, and today I'm going to finally finish my kids' homework station with an indoor awning that I'm recreating out of a piece of repurposed tin, an old piece of roofing tin. Okay guys, this is the piece of repurposed tin that I'm going to use to create an indoor awning. I thought it would make a really nice accent piece to my kids' homework station, and I had this old piece of tin lying around and I decided it was finally time to use it. Okay, I figured I would do a video on this and show you the different hardware I used and how I attached it to the piece of tin, because it took me a little while to figure it out, so I figured I might as well show you guys. So the first thing I did was I had to figure out how to get the hardware attached to the tin. I thought about this and I thought about this and decided I don't know a welder. The best way to do it would probably be to weld these pieces onto here, but since I don't have access to a welder, I decided I would use a few pieces of scrap wood, and I would nail the scrap wood into the tin, and then I would nail the hardware to the piece of wood. So that way it's nice and secure. And what I'm using to attach the piece of tin to the wall is these hinges and this piece of hardware. Just to recap, I took 3 pieces of scrap wood, I nailed them to the tin. I took the hardware, I nailed the hardware to the piece of wood, and now I'm going to put it on the wall. A little tidbit I wanted to share with you guys. Before you place this hardware on your tin, put it on the wall and make sure these are long enough to have the right angle. Let me show you what I mean. So when I first did this, I placed these brackets down here, and when I put them down here, when they were fully extended, it only opened about that much. So I had to move these brackets up to the middle of the tin to give it the angle that I wanted. So once you've got the angle you want, go ahead and screw it in, and it's almost done. Alright guys, there it is. My piece of repurposed tin turned into an indoor awning. And like I said, I'm going to link all the details of the post with the hardware and where to get the desk and the chairs and everything. I'll link it in the information section below. Thanks for joining me, guys. I hope you learned a little bit of how to create your own indoor awning. Make sure you like and subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss any updates. Thanks, guys.